Hey, Money Mindset fam. Today we're diving into the best passive income methods for beginners. No budget needed. If you're just starting out and want to make money without upfront costs, you're in the right place. I'll be giving you 5 powerful methods with step-by-step strategies that anyone can start today. Let's make that dream of earning passive income a reality. All right, let's kick things off with print on demand. Now, this is one of my favorite methods because it allows you to tap into the world of e-commerce without actually holding any inventory. Imagine this. Someone orders a t-shirt with your design from your online store. You don't even lift a finger. The print-on-demand platform you're partnered with prints the shirt, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You just collect the profit. So, how do you get started? It's simpler than you think. First things first, head over to a reputable print-on-demand platform like Printful or Teespring. Both of these platforms are completely free to join. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. You only pay when you make a sale. Next up, you need some designs. Don't worry, you don't need to be the next Picasso. In fact, some of the best-selling designs are simple text-based quotes or minimalist graphics. Canva is a fantastic free tool that you can use to whip up some eye-catching designs in minutes. Once you've got your designs ready, it's time to list them. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify are great for beginners. Etsy already has a massive audience of shoppers looking for unique items, while Shopify gives you more control over your branding and storefront. You can even start by promoting your products on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Now here's the key to making print-on-demand truly passive automation. Instead of manually posting about your products every day, use free scheduling tools like Buffer or Planoly. These tools allow you to create a bunch of social media posts in advance and schedule them to go out automatically. This way, you're constantly putting your products in front of potential customers without lifting a finger. The beauty of print on demand is that each sale is completely automated. The platform handles everything from production to shipping, leaving you free to focus on creating more awesome designs and expanding your product line. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of passive income without any financial risk. Let's move on to another powerful method, affiliate marketing. Now, I'm sure you've heard of this one before, but don't underestimate its potential. Affiliate marketing is all about recommending products or services you genuinely love and getting a commission for every sale you drive through your unique affiliate link. The first step is to join an affiliate program. Amazon Associates is a great place to start, as they offer a wide variety of products. You can also check out platforms like Rakuten or even look for affiliate programs specific to brands you already use and love. Next, choose your platform. Are you comfortable on camera? Maybe TikTok or YouTube Shorts is your jam. Prefer writing? Start a blog or build a following on Twitter. The key is to choose a platform where you feel comfortable creating content and engaging with your audience. Once you've got your platform sorted, it's time to start recommending products. But here's the thing, authenticity is key. Don't just shove products down people's throats. Instead, focus on creating helpful, valuable content that showcases how these products have benefited you. For example, let's say you're recommending a productivity app. Instead of just saying, hey, buy this app, create a video or write a blog post about your daily routine and how this app helps you stay organized and get things done. People are more likely to trust your recommendation if they see how it fits into your life. Don't forget to use a link shortener like Bitly to create clean, trackable links that you can easily share in your social media bios, blog posts, or video descriptions. This way, you can track which links are performing well and see what resonates with your audience. And here's a pro tip. Look for affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions. This means that you'll continue to earn money every month or year that someone remains a subscriber or customer of the product or service you recommended. Talk about passive income. Now, if you're looking for a truly passive income stream with incredible profit potential, look no further than selling digital products. Think about it. No inventory to manage, no shipping costs to worry about, just pure digital goodness that can be delivered instantly. The first step is to choose a digital product that you can create. This could be anything from an ebook packed with valuable information to a budget tracker template or even social media templates. The key is to choose something that you're knowledgeable about and that solves a specific problem for your target audience. Once you have your product idea, it's time to create it. And the best part? You don't need any fancy software or design skills. You can easily create professional-looking ebooks and templates using free tools like Google Docs or Canva. With your digital product ready to go, it's time to list it for sale. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are great for selling digital downloads. You can also create your own website if you want more control over your branding and pricing. Now, here's where automation comes in. Instead of manually sending out download links every time someone makes a purchase, use a free email marketing service like MailChimp to automate the entire process. You can set up a welcome email sequence that delivers the product instantly upon purchase and even includes follow-up emails to promote other products or offer additional value. The beauty of selling digital products is that you create the product once, and it can continue to generate passive income for months or even years to come. It's a fantastic way to leverage your knowledge and skills to create a sustainable income stream that works for you 24/7. Now, let's talk about YouTube automation. You might be thinking, wait, YouTube? Isn't that a ton of work? And you're right. Building a traditional YouTube channel can be incredibly time-consuming. But with YouTube automation, you can tap into the platform's massive audience and generate passive income without ever showing your face on camera. The key to YouTube automation is to find a niche that interests you and has consistent viewership, but isn't overly competitive. Think about channels that feature relaxing music, motivational quotes, or even product reviews. These types of videos don't require you to be on camera and can be created using free stock footage or simple slideshows. Speaking of which, you don't need expensive equipment or editing software to get started. Platforms like Canva and InVideo offer free plans that allow you to create professional-looking videos using their library of templates, stock footage, and music. Once you've created a few videos, it's time to optimize them for search. This means using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags so that people can easily find your content when they're searching on YouTube. Now let's talk about monetization. You can monetize your YouTube channel through ad revenue once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But don't stop there. You can also include affiliate links in your video descriptions or even reach out to brands for sponsored content once your channel gains traction. The beauty of YouTube automation is that your videos are working for you 24/7. As you upload more content and optimize for search, your channel will continue to grow, and your passive income potential will skyrocket. Finally, let's talk about a simple yet effective way to earn passive income on your everyday spending: cashback and rewards apps. Now, I know this one might not seem as glamorous as the others, but trust me, it can add up over time, especially if you're strategic about it. The first step is to download a few reputable cashback apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Fetch Rewards. These apps partner with thousands of retailers and offer cashback on your purchases. All you have to do is click through the app before you shop, and you'll automatically earn cashback on your eligible purchases. Once you've downloaded a few apps, take a few minutes to link your debit or credit cards. I know some people are hesitant to link their cards, but these are verified apps with robust security measures in place. Your information is safe. Now here's the key to maximizing your cashback earnings. Stack your rewards. For example, let's say you're buying a new TV from Best Buy. First, check if Rakuten is offering cashback for Best Buy. Then see if you can find any coupon codes through Honey or other coupon websites. By combining cashback and coupons, you can save a significant amount of money on your purchases. Most cashback apps have a payout threshold, so once you reach a certain amount, you can cash out your earnings via PayPal or direct deposit. You can also choose to redeem your rewards for gift cards to your favorite retailers. While cashback and rewards apps might not make you rich overnight, they're a fantastic way to earn passive income on your everyday spending. It's like getting paid to shop. Plus, you can use those earnings to invest in other passive income streams down the line, creating a snowball effect for your financial future. And there you have it. 5 actionable, zero-cost methods to start building passive income. The best part? You can start any of these today without spending a dime. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Drop a comment below and let me know which method you're excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Until next time, keep grinding and making smart money moves.